So, traders, as we look forward into the week, I hope you guys are doing all that you're supposed to be doing so you can better yourself and so you can remain disciplined, consistent, and far most importantly, that professional and profitable trader that you're destined to be. But this is your boy Harlem King COT, and I'm back again with another video. And on today's video, I'll be sharing to you guys, like you saw on the thumbnail, possible directions for the coming 2 days on the 3 pairs that we're always working on, which is nasdaq, gold, and USD CAD. But before we start the video, 28% of you guys who are always watching the videos have not yet subscribed to our channel. And if I'm adding any value into your trading life, and if I'm adding any value into your trading journey, all I ask of you is to just subscribe to the channel, share the videos, leave a comment on the videos, click that link on my description to sign up with the broker that I trade with and how to recommend. And if you're looking to capitalize on the 50% the COT Academy has came up with on our 2-day in-person mentorship course, then I guess you've came to the right place and came at the right time, because you will be receiving a free in-person mentorship course with a 50% discount. But there's requirements into it. So for more info, take my number, take my Instagram link, or just comment P on the comment section, so I know what you're looking for and what you want, so I can assist you. But without further ado, let me not say much, let me not do much. Let me make sure that I prepare you guys and equip you guys for all that you need so you can have a great end to the trading journey, to the trading week, but not only the trading week, but our trading month of July. So first pair that we're going to be working on will be nasdaq. So if you checked our weekly trading outlook, the previous video that we've uploaded before this recent one, then you can see that from all that we are about to share now, we've planned it out on our previous video looking forward into this week, right? So on the NAS, we did have 2 anticipations based on the zone that price has printed out, that if price will stay above the zone, then we might look for those continuations to the upside of possible new all-time highs. But if price will trade below, then I guess we might look for those moves to the downside, possible reversal. But as you guys understand that our structure and behavior and patterns are all bullish on the NAS, all we now could be focusing on is for those continuations to the upside, looking for those new possible all-time highs. But there's a catch into it. As you guys understand that price is printed out, this intraday resistance, and with price printing out this intraday resistance, based on our current price, the only 2 setups that we might be focusing on for this coming week will be if price will come back to our zone and give us a fail to violate, then we might look for those moves to the upside. But if price will give us a violation and trade below, then I guess price will give us a breakout and a break below and look for those possible reversals to the downside. But that's not what we applicably are looking forward into now. But the only thing we might be focusing on is for those continuations to the upside, and looking for continuations to the upside will clearly mean prices to violate this current high and look for those possible new all-time highs, unless price will come back to our very same zone and give us a trade above, creating that new support above that previous resistance. Then we might look for those moves to the upside. But if price will give us a trade below that support, that resistance, which might turn into support if price trades above, then we might look for those moves to the downside. But without further ado, understand that the NASDAQ is kind of looking choppy. But if you understand your structure, your behavior, and your patterns, then it might not be as hard as it looks on the NAS. But without further ado, second pair will be gold. So on gold, I repeat, if you checked our previous video, our weekly trading outlook, then you might get the picture into what we're about to share to you guys on this recent video. And on gold, we did leave an indication that there's this zone, there's this support that price has been trading above, and obviously with price holding above support, the only few things that we're focusing on now based on what we have anticipated is if price will come back to our support and give us a fail to break, then we might anticipate those moves to the upside. But if price will give us a break below with a continuation of a trade below that zone, then we might understand that our current price structure is looking bearish with lower lows and lower highs. And with that being said, the only thing that we might be focusing on is for those continuations to the downside. If price will trade below our very same support, but if price will hold above support, then I guess we might look for those moves to the upside, and that will be what we anticipate on gold. But Gold, we will just keep it the way we keep it. We're just waiting for confirmation because price is not trading on our zone as of yet. But if it happens that price comes back to our zone, then that's when we might look to put our money to work. But if not, then I guess we might leave gold the way it is and not trade it for the rest of the week. Last but not least, we're having USD CAD. And like I said, if you reach that part, this last part of the video, then you will get all that you need, because USD CAD might possibly be an easy tradable pair for the coming week based on two takes that we might be looking forward into. One, you can clearly understand that USD CAD is holding above this major zone, right? It's holding below this major zone. And previous history, price was looking to be bullish every time we were above, and price was looking to be bearish every time we were below this very same zone. So now that price is still trading above, now that price is still trading below our mean, and looking at our current structure on USD CAD, you can clearly understand that price is bullish. And with price being bullish, in order for us to look for those continuations to the upside on USD CAD, then we might at least need to get a break above our major zone and a trade above that major zone, so we can look for those continuations to the upside. But where price is currently trading, if we're going to get a fill to break with an anticipation of a strong zone to be bearish below and be bullish above, then we might look for that possibility of those moves to the downside and just look to be bearish on USD CAD and keep it the way we keep it, because this might be a tradable pair for the rest of the week with two anticipations. If price will trade above our major zone, then we might look for those continuations to the upside. But if price will hold below that very same zone, then I guess we might look for the reversal to the downside. But it's important that we wait for confirmation before we put our money to work, like I said on nasdaq and on gold. And on USD CAD, you might also have to do the same before you can even think of putting your money to work. But let's be mindful, we are going to be playing the waiting game on the three pairs that we're always working on. I have a group special for you guys, special for those videos. If you want to be part of the group, then you might comment P and comment that you're interested to be part of the group, so I can just put you into the group. Or you might take my number so I can WhatsApp you, so I can give you my Telegram link, so I can put you in the group, so you can see all the setups and all the anticipations that we always take in, week out, based on the setups, based on the anticipations that we have on the videos on YouTube. Do you guys get that? But without further ado, always remember, COT Academy has a 50% discount on our 2-day in-person mentorship course. If you're looking to capitalize onto it, I've left my number, I've left my Instagram link, and I've left any source of communication tool that I have, that you also have, that we can both communicate with, so we can get a hold of each other. So I, the CEO of COT Academy, can transform your trading journey from what it is to what it has to be, using the knowledge and the gems that I always share on YouTube. But without further ado, that's your boy Harlem, King COT, and I have a special video for you guys on Friday. Subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified before we drop the video, and watch it before the million viewers do. Do you guys get that? But like I said, that's your boy Harlem, King COT, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next video.